That's the annual sessions, also known as the two sessions.
China's annual session of the top legislature and national political advisory body are underway in Beijing. The two sessions not only of great importance in China's political calendar, but also closely watched internationally. One of the things that attract global attention is what impetus the world's second largest economy will generate for global development. According to the government work report delivered by Premier Li Keqiang on Saturday, China set its GDP target growth at around 5.5%. The report said the fundamentals of China's economy remain unchanged and they will maintain long-term growth. Last year, despite sporadic epidemic resurgence and a complicated external environment, China's GDP grew 8.1% year-on-year to reach 114 trillion yuan. Observers worldwide have highlighted China's role in global economic recovery and are optimistic about its development this year.
China is a global engine of economic growth and has for decades served as the manufacturing center of the world.
I'm expecting that it's developing, and this is also what I'm hearing from the companies, that they continue investing in China. Many European companies, they had the best results ever in China last year. That's what I'm hearing, that they are looking forward to have a growth.
Well, China has maintained quite a good record in terms of GDP growth, because even I think the manufacturing sector has shown progress. Exports have grown, and the GDP growth rate has been impressive, despite the huge challenge of corona pandemic.
I believe that China's role is extremely important in the global economic recovery and is perhaps the only major power that can play that role today. China's economic stability, combined with China's international economic cooperation initiatives with the rest of the world, could make a major contribution to this difficult moment.